Hey guys, this is Asupanda right here at Asupanda Media. I hope you guys are doing well. So, I'm sure you've heard many a YouTuber and content creator say this before. Please watch till the very end. This video is going to be slightly long. Do not miss anything. And in the end, please give us a like and a share. Why do they say that? Well, been trying to analyze my own analytics. Well, YouTube gives you a lot of analytics, which we usually tend to ignore. But then again, I thought, actually, let's try and understand what's going wrong with my own channel. So I watched a lot of content and ended up realizing that, see, first and foremost, what we don't realize as content creators is that YouTube is not for the content creators. YouTube makes money by showing you videos, right? So you end up spending your time on YouTube so that the advertisers and the sponsors pay money so that YouTube generates revenue and YouTube then shares that revenue with the content creators. Now, YouTube algorithm basically wants to show somebody. So in case you open a new Gmail account and you go to your YouTube page, it's absolutely blank, right? It doesn't know anything about you. So once you start searching for videos and you start watching a particular kind of content or you start subscribing to particular type of content creators, YouTube starts verifying that and basically suggests you content you are probably going to watch. Now, why do the content creators say this, right? See, most of the content creators are creating videos basically which, if they are not entertaining, right? Even if they are entertaining and they're sharing something, they would like to share that most entertaining part right in the very end, so that, yeah. And if there is somebody who's saying that, you know what, I'm going to solve this problem for you, right? Right now, if you're watching this video, you really want to know something. So the answer to that question that you have in your mind is going to solve your problem. So if you hold the answer from the public as long as possible, you're going to basically increase your watch time. So now that I've said that, I have recently realized that how I can share my iPad screen, right? So if you go to your channel analytics and you go for your analytics of any particular video, these are the things that you'll see. You'll see something called engagement right there, right? And under engagement, you'll see these parameters, that is watch time, average view duration, audience retention, likes versus dislikes, end screen if you are using those, and top remixed. Now, let's try and understand each one of them step by step. So first, let's go with watch time. See, I'm sure everybody is stressed on this point that you really need to have a striking thumbnail, or you have to do SEO optimized titles so that when somebody is searching, they actually come onto your video, because obviously any niche or genre of videos that you're making has a lot of competition. Some have less, some have more, but then again, there is a lot of competition because other content creators are competing with you, right? So you need to make that first impression, right? Now, we'll talk about impressions on another video, but right now we're going to talk about engagement. So once the impression has been made and somebody has clicked on your video, now they're going to watch your video. Now, once you reach on the engagement part of your analytics on any of your videos, you'll be able to see, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see a graph there. Okay, it'll basically be shaped something like this. It'll be either this, where it comes like this and it goes like that. And YouTube will hide the percentage points here. And then you'll have a graph like this, which goes like this. There might be a spike, there might be a dip, it goes like that. And another kind of graph would be like this, where it just comes and just goes like that. Now, you do not want this kind of graph on your videos. You want either this or this. Because in this case, after the initial impression is made, This is the percentage of people who are consistently watching your video till the very end. In this case, there are at least some people who are watching. In this case, there are some people who are watching. There is a spike, there is a dip. So this is also good. Now, as I said, why do the content creators end up saying that they want you to watch the video till the end? They want to increase their watch time. Now, why do they want to increase that watch time? See, until unless you're watching shorts, it does not matter, because 30 seconds, 60 seconds, you usually do not ignore the video. You end up you watch one short and then you go to the other one. In case of a video, if it does not hold your attention, you're bound to move away from that video. Because you're going to move away from that video, the watch time might go down. See, YouTube algorithm will realize this, that the thumbnail is working, the SEO optimized title is working, everything is working. But then again, if the algorithm detects that this video is not being watched through and through, or people are usually not interested after a particular amount of time, it will stop suggesting that as quality content, right? Now, by somebody is saying that you should watch their video in entirety, it can either work for you or it can basically backfire on you. Now, if it works for you, it's good, right? But if it backfires on you, how it's going to backfire on you is people are just going to say, you know what, this person does not give out the information or the solution to the problem, so let's move on to somebody else, right? Which is bad for you. Another thing is this second graph where it shows you the spikes and the dips. This can be used as a feedback by you as a creator to understand that, okay, these are the things that people like watching in my video, and these are the things that people do not like watching in my video. See, because you are not only going to get paid for the number of views, but you're going to be paid by AdSense as well. So if people watch your video more, they might end up seeing more ads and you might end up getting more revenue. So that is the reason why watch time is very important. Now, let's come down to the next point, that is your average watch duration. Now, in case you upload a video which is basically about 10 odd minutes, right? Your average watch duration of a 10-minute video will never be 10. It will be something like 2 or 3. But as high as close it is to 10, that is good for you. Because not only people are choosing to watch your video, they're also choosing it to watch for a longer period of time. So your average view duration, if it is high, it means good things for you. Now, what that will end up giving you is something called audience retention, because you are able to not only bring audience to your video, you are also able to retain that, right? Now, audience retention on the same video also can be good, because they might watch it for another time. But then again, you will see a lot of people will end up saying, please like and share. Because if you like it, that tells YouTube that this is something that it should show other people who like something like this. And if you obviously share, obviously you're trying to break into their circle of people and viewers and subscribers, so on and so forth. And you have got a chance to increase the number of subscribers. Another thing is, when they do say give us a like, YouTube also gives you an option to dislike something. Now, if you dislike that, that basically works against you, because obviously if there are enough number of dislikes, YouTube will essentially stop suggesting your content. Now, a lot of people do not understand the importance of these end screens, but if you see, most of the YouTubers and content creators who've been really successful and do it for a long time, they will actually end up saying something like this in the end of their video. They'll say, if you like this video, you're probably going to like this. Or if you want a solution to probably this question, this is another video that you can watch. And then you have that relevant video on your end screen. Now, what that does is you're not only bringing in the customer into your environment, your content, but you're also making sure that they watch more of your content. See, if they watch more of your content will get suggested to them and people like them, and your channel grow. It will basically end up helping your channel grow and end up helping you earn more revenue. But then again, Why do they say that? That keep watching till the end? Because, yes, as I said earlier, everybody needs the watch time, right? If somebody, what happens to those clickbait videos? They work for a point of time, but they do not work after a point of time. Because how many times have you gone back to those channels who actually just do clickbait videos? Because after a point of time, you are like, it's just clickbait, right? So that's what I'm saying. Now, I could have basically held out, but I think I've already given you the answer and I've given you the solution that basically you should focus on your watch time and create content where people are choosing to watch the video for a longer time. Now, if I keep going on, you'll probably get bored of this video and not watch it. But do let me know if you did like something in this video. Share it with your friends. Mention in your comment section how likely are you to watch a video, in case you find an interesting thumbnail, or how likely are you able to watch a video in case somebody is just prolonging, giving you the solution or the answer to your question. Do let me know that in the comment section. If you're new here, please subscribe as well. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Until next time, you take care and have a good one.